90 years ago, Dorothy Cox made candy in her kitchen in New Bedford. The company is much larger now, but still family-owned and has won dozens of awards. 80% of the candy is sold to other companies and marketed as brand name candy. This factory was opened in 2011 to speed up manufacturing. Dorothy made her sweets the old-fashioned way, by hand. The owner showed me how it used to be done and how time-consuming the job was. 20 people now work at the Wareham factory.
This is the most chocolate I've seen in one place ever.
Dorothy Cox Chocolates has expanded because of the latest equipment, conveyor belts, automatic timers, and large machines. They sold 18,000 pounds of nonpareils for Valentine's Day. Company president Francis Cox has never worked anywhere else.
I've taught my children, my dad taught me, my grandfather taught me, so you take a lot of pride in what you do, and we need to keep this going.
Dorothy Cox is one of 2 companies in the state that does chocolate panning. A huge tumbler evenly coats melted chocolate on dried cranberries, coffee beans, malted milk balls, and much more. Each batch can take more than 2 hours to complete.
Back in the day, everything was done by hand, and to speed up production and to make things cost-effective and affordable for people, we've had to automate everything.
A lot of candy is shipped to stores across the United States. Some is sold at the Dorothy Cox storefront in Fairhaven. Dorothy Cox is named after her great aunt. She runs the store with her parents.
What makes your business special?
We make sweets, and we make everybody happy. They come here and it's something that people like. It's their family tradition, like on Valentine's, always gets a box of chocolates.
As you can see, the shop has dozens and dozens of choices. It's a dream come true for my sweet tooth. Reporting for Amp It Up, I'm Trinity Afonso.